Welcome to this tutorial video. In this course, we will guide you step by step on how to draw a cross-floor window. Let's try it together. Go to Interior Design Tools. Click the floor plan, then drag the window to a suitable wall on the first floor. Switch to 3D mode. Set the height of the cross-floor window in the Parameters panel on the right. Switch to the second floor. According to the position of the cross-floor window in the lower floor, use the wall split tool to cut out the location of the opening that needs to be drawn next. According to the position of the opening cut in the previous step, place the window opening. Adjust the height of the window opening and the distance from the ground. Click Show All Floors to see the overall effect. That's all. Thanks for watching.